16 or later. So as you can see here, what you're gonna do is you need to borrow a device from friend that support iOS 16. So as you can see, here is my Apple ID, and here's the device that I have borrowed from my friend. As you can see, I have logged in the same Apple ID in iOS 16 mobile. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install that same app in this iPhone with the same Apple ID. So as you can see, here is it. So once it's done, now you can just put this phone away. Now you can close the App Store. Then open the App Store on that iPhone. So as you can see, it is the same Apple ID. So click on purchase. Then simply, so you can also click here, or you can also search for the application. Now try to download that app. Now simply click on download. So here we go, guys. Now as you can see, the application is downloading on the same phone in iOS 15. So let me show you. And here is the app. As you can see, it's working. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.